Yes.
Now we have a Mount Fuji day trip.
Oh, Fuji.
We're gonna go to our meetup spot. Fit check.
Fit check. Comfy outfit.
See you guys later. I mean, it's still cold today. It's always cold. Bye. Hey guys, we're now on the bus.
Going to our Fuji trip.
Fuji day trip.
Same shit.
How far is it? 2 hours?
No. Yung siya kasi yung mismong Mount Fuji yung ano.
Or 1 hour?
Ngayon tinatanong ito ano yung destination natin.
I will update you guys later. Maraming tao. Bye.
It's gonna be a boring trip.
Hi guys, we're here.
Not yet.
In the famous Lawson with the mountain. But like, you can't see the mountain because it's like hiding from the ground. So
Hiding from the clouds. Covered with.
it's called hiding. Me food. We got hungry, so I just got some snacks. Daming tao.
Halatang Pilipino.
Dami na nakakit niya outfit. See you guys later. Bye. We're in Lake Kawaguchi. I think, right? Or
I don't know.
Urushi Park.
That's Mount Fuji.
We have until 11:05 anyway. That's Mount Fuji, guys. I think this is lake. Anong lake nga daw to? Uy. Ang daming tao. And then we're gonna go there daw to get the ice cream. Okay, let's go.
Yan, ang daka na yun. Ice cream. Ice cream kahit malamig.
I finished mine. It took so long. Look at our view. So pretty.
Zoom mo.
What? So pretty, all. Daming tao.
Tara na.
Lego? See, I finished mine already. Pero ang ganda ng spot na to. If you wanna chill. Uy, wait. Look guys, the water is so clear. Kain na ata tayo.
Sana?
I think we're gonna eat na.
Sinabi niyo ba?
Yeah, it's lunchtime, isn't it?
Are they gonna provide food or?
I'm not sure.
Ang ramen. Salita kasi ng salita ng ramen ganun.
Puro ka na lang noodles since dumating tayo dito. Trip. What did you get? Ano yung tawag yan?
Hindi ko alam.
Beef ano ata yun? Something something. There's only one yellow fish. Ang daming fish ang clear ng water. Bawal at ang cross ng beach.
Yung Mount Fuji.
Shopping for magnets.
Ang ganda ba ito?
Ang ganda ng magnet nila. Yeah, it's pretty. Daming tao. Ano yung kasama ko? Hindi pa rin tapos mag-shopping. Bumili ako ng cookies, Mount Fuji cookies. Bakit nail cutter? Meron ako.
Wala lang.
Souvenir?
Hindi, sa akin.
Sa akin. Sa'yo lang pala.
Ooh, I like this.
Ang ganda ng magnet talaga. Ang cute oh. Hi guys. Look at this. Tingnan niyo to. Hindi siya mukhang malalim pero like it's actually malalim. Like it's in a circle.
8 meters deep daw.
Ooh.
Sana all deep.
Uy. Daming tao. There's a yellow one over there.
Tatlo.
Ang deep niya, no? Looks so deep.
Sana all deep.
Tara.
Tara.
Fuji spot, picture spot.
Wala kang pwesto.
Ang hirap mga picture kasi ang daming tao.
Tara.
Pero picturean mo lang yung mga food.
Pakyat kami sa hill ngayon. Kami akyat. Good luck talaga sa paa.
Sige, look at my shoes.
Sakit nito.
Sayang, kita mo yung akitan natin.
Ah. Alright, I give up. Pagod.
Ang dami na nun. Tingnan mo layo.
Taas pa. Finally.
Kaya mo, ang ganda.
Kung ano mang village to. And there's Mount Fuji. I don't know if you can see it. See it now. Saan tayo? Tadang!
Daming tao, tingnan mo. Already we started. Galing kami doon sa taas, nagpa-picture. Baba na kami kasi itong isa gusto na ng tubig. Daming tao.
Pero tapos ka na ba mag-picture? Or?
Oo, tapos na. Gusto ko naman tayong dalawa lang. Pag dito. Maganda kasi pag tayong dalawa. The main view, guys. Pagbababa. Ang ganda! Ang ganda! It's 400 steps, diba? Ilang steps ba?
Di ko alam. May sinabi ba?
Ay, narinig ko lang si ate. Malay mo, fake news. Humihingal lang si kuya.
Ayan. Daldal mo pa kasi.
Yan kanina, hinihingal. Ngayon, easy na lang.
Muntik ka na maging kwento. Ganda ng view. View Chicxo.
Food trip ulit. Ano nga yan?
Cheese sticks.
Food trip ulit, guys. Try natin yung cheese sticks nila. Ang sarap. Oh my God, ang sarap.
Yep.
Fresh eh. Pagkatapos ng tour namin,
Bumili ka din ng
nope. Pumunta kami dito sa Ginza, nag-shopping. Dami.
Iyak ang wala.
The damage is damage. Pero ang ganda kasi ng mga sizes. Asian size. So, then we're gonna try their KFC right now. After we're eating, we're gonna go home. Pagod na for today's video. Balik ulit kami dito. Bukas. Bye!
Alam mo rin. Bye.